Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, today I'm back with the update on your favorite swing trading stock, Aarti Drugs Limited. Aarti Drugs is one of the leading producers of metformin in the world and one of the largest producer of fluoroquinolones. Guys, recently on November 15th, I have made a video on Aarti Drugs stating the reasons for the stock fall. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. I am giving the video link in the description box and also in the I-bar section. Guys, from the past 1 week, the Aarti Drugs has shown some retracement. It is about to give a bounce back and the stock has got huge potential to give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. Before going further, please follow our Telegram channel where I post important updates daily. Also, please follow our pages on Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Don't forget to hit the like button. Your every like gives me motivation to make more and more videos. Now let's come back to the topic. Guys, Aarti Drugs is a multi-bagger stock. If you see the maximum chart performance, the stock has given mind-blowing returns of 47,648%, giving almost 400 times returns to its investors. And if you see guys, from the March 25th 2020 COVID lows to October 7th 2020, the stock has given bumper returns of 733%, giving 7x returns in just 6 months. Guys, Aarti Drugs has shown similar kind of returns in the past also. Here you can see, in the year 2013, the stock has been trading at the level of Rs 25, but from 2013 to 2015, the stock has rallied to the level of 173.6, giving a bumper returns of 695%. After this rally, the stock has moved sideways for almost 5 years. And only after COVID crash, guys, the stock has jumped by 700%. Presently it is under profit booking. Most of you might be worrying when the stock will bounce back. And some of you might have bought the stock at the higher levels at the range of 800 to 1000, and you might be in heavy confusion whether to hold the stock or sell the stock. So guys, in this video, let us analyze the stock technically by using charts, and in the end, I am going to give you future growth prospects of this company. So guys, first let us see its technical analysis. Guys, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, I opened 1-day chart of Aarti Drugs. Recently, the stock has shown retracement at the level of 485. 485 acted as a strong support for the stock. That means guys, the stock has crashed by 53% from its all-time high level of 1026. After getting crashed to the levels of 485, it is showing some retracement. Here you can see guys, RSI is increasing. It is presently at 34.60 and it is racing towards 40. Also guys, if you see the MACD indicator, it is about to give you bullish crossover signal. Also guys, if you see the volumes from the May to December, after May, the volumes have been significantly dropped. So guys, if any positive news comes, the volumes may improve and the stock may rally. Here you can see, the stock can rally like this. The stock can cross all the moving averages. It can race toward the levels of 600, 650. It can even go beyond 700 levels. Guys, if you want the buy levels and targets, please watch my previous video. Guys, if the stock has to rally like this, Aarti Drugs has to perform very well. So let's see what are the factors that can influence its future growth. In the first quarter and the second quarter, the API volume growth is very flat. So guys, if there is a growth in the API volumes, especially in the antibiotic segment, it can boost its revenue. And guys, as the economy is reviving, the supply chain disruptions are reducing day by day. And guys, Aarti Drugs is mainly dependent on China for the raw materials. As there is a recovery of Chinese raw material suppliers, the cost of raw materials may come down in future. Also guys, as the increase in the raw material cost affecting the profit margins, Aarti Drugs management is planning to increase the prices on its end customers so that they can able to maintain the required profit margins. And Aarti Drugs is planning to achieve EBITDA margins of 18% over 2 to 3 years by the ongoing transition towards lifestyle and chronic therapies, and also companies looking for backward integration and taking good operating leverages. And guys, Aarti Drugs is well on the track of growing the contribution from high value lifestyle and chronic therapeutic areas and reducing the share from acute therapies from the API business segment. Also, the specialty chemicals and intermediate business of Aarti Drugs are expected to grow at a robust pace driven by the niche value proposition and multiple industry and geopolitical tailwinds. And guys, under formulation business, there is a robust pipeline of products under development with multiple therapeutic areas. The new products which are under development are Acum Prostate for alcoholism treatment, Dabigatran, anticoagulant, Sevelamer, Ethiperphostimia, Colsalvum, anti-cholesterol, Drondaron, cardiovascular, Olmesartan, cardiovascular, Valsartan, cardioprotectant, Sitagliptin, anti-diabetic. So guys, by looking at all these factors, we can say that future outlook of Aarti Drugs is very bright. Within the 2 quarters, company can regain its profit margins, it can post good profit numbers, and our stock price can rally up to the levels of 700 and can even go beyond 800 levels. And it can give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. So guys, this is all about Aarti Drugs. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. A small disclaimer for you guys. The levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.